Oh, all right. You might have to repeat it again.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no wearing of any head garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Mr. Toussaint?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. What's your P number?
P number is 58609.
All right. Let me start your client's camera. Start your video, Mr. Darrell Woods. And sit still for a second. Oh, say your P number one more time, Attorney Toussaint.
P number is 58609.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darrell L. Woods. This is case number Z808731. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Judge, may it please this most honorable court, Vincent J. Toussaint, P 58609, on behalf of Mr. Woods, who appears today by Zoom, consents to having this hearing heard by Zoom today. Mr. Woods, unmute and give your name for the record.
Darrell Woods.
All right, counsel. I spoke to the probation officer. Do you know what the recommendation is today?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So it's been recommended that he just has one more part that he needs to do. He's been in contact with this probation officer. He just has to submit some fingerprints. And then after that, she's going to submit the paperwork to me to close him out.
Okay, great. I appreciate that, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Woods, I've been informed that you had almost a 360, that your attitude at first when you came in was not the greatest ever, but then you began working with and complying with the probation officer. Stop moving. Where are you going? Sit still for 2 seconds. Is that true, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What did you learn from this incident?
I learned a lot. Just chill out, relax, and don't help nobody no more.
All right. All right. Because I kind of remember what happened in this matter now. So you got to remember, right? What's your priority? You know, other people may try and interfere with that, especially the opposite sex. You got to focus on what you need to focus on, okay? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is after you come in, you've already been in communications with her. She knows exactly what to do. When she submits me the paperwork, I'm going to sign it for your completion of this probation, and you will no longer have to do anything else for this court, okay? That's the last thing you have to do, okay?
Okay.
All right, congratulations. And you are all set, okay?
Okay. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Appreciate you too. You're welcome.
Hey,
Mr. Woods, I'll get an order to the court for that. I need the serial, okay?
Okay, bet. Okay, I got you.
All right, thank you now.
Thank you.
Everyone stay safe and take care. Thank you,
You
Judge.
too. Good to see you, Attorney Toussaint.
Oh, Judge, it's always good to see you.
Thank you. All right, bye.
Take care now.
You too. Bye-bye. Angela Wheeler?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Angela Wheeler. This is ticket 212879. One count, no operator's license on person. Count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1456621. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, disregard traffic control device. That may not have made it, but I can add it to this today. Ticket number SP 1294237. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I don't know about count 3. Ticket SP 1189124. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drove while license improper or not valid. Ticket SP 1166916. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1515851. Drive Count 1 is drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket SP 1515882, no plates on trailer. Ticket SP 973891. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Can you say that again?
I said appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Wheeler.
And Mr. Wheeler, state your name for the record, please.
Angela Wheeler.
Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for pretrial and hearing in these matters, and the people have made an offer that Mr. Wheeler wants to take advantage of.
What is that offer?
So I know that you can see there are a number of matters on the docket. He would be pleading guilty to 5 counts of improper place, 1 count of failing to display, and 2 limited access 1 to 5 over speeding on the civil infractions.
Okay.
And the remaining matters will be dismissed.
You said 5 improper plates.
Yes.
And then any FTDs or no?
1 failing to display.
1 failed to display. Okay. All right. And then 2 1 to 5s on the 2 civil infractions.
Yes.
All right. If you want to take advantage of this offer today, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Not really. No.
You didn't talk to Miss
I talked to the
Martin?
lady, but I talked to her. Yeah, I did. Yeah.
You didn't know she was an attorney?
Yeah. My bad.
It's okay. She's an attorney. She probably didn't tell you that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yeah. You know it.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta
Yes,
verbally
ma'am.
say the answer, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Don't be so familiar. Okay. All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of December 22nd, 2021. Were you in the area of Finkel and Schaefer in the city of Detroit driving a Mercury vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yeah.
Was there no car insurance on it at the time?
No, I don't think it was.
Okay. All right. Then I want to take your attention back to the date of August 17th, 2023, where you're driving a GMC vehicle in the area of Vaughn and West Chicago streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
And did it have improper plates on it at that time?
Yeah.
And then I want to take your attention to the date of, what is this? April 18th of 2021, where you're driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Otsego. That's Otsego and Joy Road in the city of Detroit.
Yeah.
And did your vehicle have improper plates on it at that time?
Yeah.
All right. And then I want to take your attention to October 27th, 2023, where you're driving a GMC vehicle in the area of Schaefer and Grand River in the city of Detroit.
Yeah.
And did that vehicle have improper plates on it at that time?
Yeah. Yes.
Finally, I want to take your attention to the date of improper. February 18th of 2021, where you're driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Burt Road in Plymouth in the city of Detroit.
Yeah.
And did the vehicle have improper, no insurance on it at the time? No car insurance?
No, yeah, I ain't have insurance. Yeah.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for proper cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Judge.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket for the civil infractions.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 1 count reduced fail to display, 5 counts of improper plates, and 2 counts of plea of responsible 1 to 5 speed. I appreciate you coming to take care of all your tickets, Mr. Wheeler, but next time, don't wait so long to come see us.
Yeah, man. I be man.
Okay,
off the board.
because then it just stacks up. Okay, so on the
Mhm.
2 civil infractions, those are both $125 a piece, and then I'm going to 125. And I'm gonna give you an additional $300 fine on the fail to display. I waive the cost and fines on the improper plates. Now, if
Okay.
you have any reinstatement fees, that's above what I said today. Okay, so
All right.
we're looking at a total of $350. Nope, 300 plus 125, $550. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How much time do you need to pay that? 60, 90? How long?
What's the day?
90, 120 days?
No,
long you need?
I only really need. You say how much? 550. How much? Can you give me that?
$550, and I was gonna give you. Now you have a ticket in collections, but don't worry about that one right now. Just worry about these tickets. 550. I said I was gonna give you 60 or 90 days. I know that's not quite a bit of money that I'm asking for.
Get just give me like a couple weeks for real. That's all I need.
Okay,
I can give it to you.
I'm gonna give you 60 days just in case, because I know life happens, and I don't want you saying I you pay it because blah blah blah. Okay,
All right.
so all right, I'm gonna give you until June 10th. Okay, June 10th
All right,
to
that's
have
cool.
it, and then hopefully you're on your way to get your license back if it's not already restored, Mr. Wheeler. Okay.
All right, I got a ticket. I asked her about. I hope it was in there because I got stopped, and I had CPLs, and they took my CPLs. I tried to go renew them, and they said I had to come here to get them back. So I hope that ticket was in there.
We pulled all your tickets. How long ago was that?
That she locked me up. I think that was like February 2nd or something. Around that time, I ended up getting locked up.
You get locked up because you had warrants and didn't get a new case. You
She
just had
locked me
warrants
up.
out.
She locked me up because of the tickets, yeah, the traffic tickets, and then I didn't have, my I had the gun on me, but the CPL was expired, so she took the gun and she took me in just because my license was expired. So when they let me out like 3 days later, I didn't catch no case, no charge, or nothing. They just told me go renew them. When I went to go renew them, I paid the money. They sent me a letter in the mail saying that I couldn't get my license renewed. I had to go to court.
Oh, I don't have that case, but I'll tell you this thing. You got a ton of civil infractions out here you need to take care of. Take care of them. We took care of some of them today, but just
I
make
think
sure
I
you
gotta
take care
come back May 13th
I
with
thought I
you
got all
again.
your,
Yeah, I come to see you May 13th.
these not all your tickets?
No, I gotta see you May 13th at 8:45.
Okay. Well, I don't see any gun case. I went to go look and see. I don't see any of them. They may have just wanted you to come in here and take care of the cases that were in warrant status because you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases, 11, 12 cases in warrant. So they may have just wanted you to take care of that. I don't
Oh,
see
okay.
any new gun cases, but ask me again on the 13th of May, okay?
Okay. Appreciate you. Thank
All
you.
right. I appreciate you. All right, I'll see you then, okay, Mr. Wheeler?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Clinton Wade,
How you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm all right.
Okay, good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Clinton O'Neill Wade. This is ticket SP 1087533, count 2. Drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket SP 1312045, drove while license suspended. Ticket 408519, no operator's license on person. Ticket 425460, no operator's license in possession. And ticket 379419, no operator's license in possession. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alicia Mariano, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Wade.
And Mr. Wade, can you state your name for the record, please?
Clinton O'Neill Wade Jr.
Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, Mr. Wade has produced a license that is currently valid, and Madam Clerk has confirmed that, and all of these tickets relate to driver's license. So I would ask the court to dismiss them all for his compliance.
All right. At this time, I do have that he had a valid license. So the court is going to grant that request. We're going to dismiss these cases without prejudice because he has a valid license. Sir,
Thank God.
don't you wait this long, Lex. Yeah, don't thanking him. But don't you wait this long next time to come back and get this business taken care of. I'm happy you had your license now. That's a good thing. But the last time you came, well, you came and then it looks like you capious, so you were trying to take care of it, and then you decided, oh no, I'm not gonna take care of it. I'm gonna wait another year. Stop
Yeah, I was
doing that.
procrastinating.
Just come
Hopefully,
to
I don't gotta
court.
come back though. Hopefully, I don't gotta
I
ever
hope-
come back.
I hope not. I agree with that statement, sir. Okay.
All
Don't,
right.
but next time, just handle it. You don't want to have all this stuff out here from 2017 and you just rolling around. You got a whole
You're right.
kid that looks up to you and wants to make sure that they're gonna follow your lead on what's acceptable and what's not acceptable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So these cases, you still have a ticket though that's in default from a while ago that you need to pay. Failure to stop at a stop sign is $156, and you have some reinstatement fees on some of these tickets, even though your license is good. So you just want to check those out so they don't ever come against you, and then your license won't be valid. Okay.
Okay, so would you suggest that I go down to 36th district and get a printout of the ones that I got left?
Yes, I would. And it's not a ton. It's just that one case you owe. Well, looks like you might owe on a probation too. Just come down here, get a list of all the stuff, and then start paying on it. They're not going
No,
to
I
do nothing
just
to
paid
you.
my probation off. I don't mean to cut you off. I'm sorry. I just paid my probation off though.
I'm
So
proud of you for
I
that one.
stood on because I got court for that June 7th, the closing on that. And from when we last spoke, when I was in your courtroom last time, you said if I had all my if I had my license, all my stuff would have got thrown out. So
It does, but I see that you owe some reinstatement fees. So come down here when you can, get a printout of what you owe, and that way you can make payments on them and get those out the way. Just so I don't want you to have no trouble. I want your license to remain valid, okay?
Okay.
All right, congratulations, Mr. Wade, and good luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a nice day.
You too. Thank you so much, Mr. Wade. Thank you for apologizing for cutting me off. I appreciate that.
No problem.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
Mr. Weston? Unmute yourself for me, sir, please.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, I can, yes. Now
Good morning.
calling the matter. Good morning, how you doing?
Doing good.
Good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Leon Weston. This is ticket SP 555-032, count 1, failed to display. Ticket SP 1388835, count 1, driver's license never acquired. And ticket number SP 1386154, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Weston.
All right, and sir, state your name for the record, please.
Curtis Leon Weston.
Counsel.
Your Honor, Mr. Weston wants to take advantage of the people's offer to plead to one count of failing to display and have the other one dismissed.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or, yeah, the other one. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of February 22nd of this year, 2024, where you're driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Plymouth and Archdale in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was your license, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
No.
What'd you display?
Michigan State ID.
You said what?
Michigan State ID.
Okay, all right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the reduced charge of failed to display in this particular matter. Sir, you have some tickets at our collection agency. Did you know that?
Yes, ma'am. I was at 36th District Court 2 weeks ago. I got my prayer and I took care of the warrants.
Okay. Did you have to pay money on any of these?
Not at the time. I went down to Road to Restoration in my role on April 2nd. Try to get some help down there because I'm going through financial problems at the moment. But just trying to get, I wrote you a letter like 2 weeks ago to try to get a little mercy, get my tickets reduced. So I can try to pay whatever I can pay to try to get my license restored.
Well, the best I can do is I'm not going to charge you any additional money today, but you got to pay that money in collections, okay?
How much altogether?
$500. It says $576.
Right. The stop on March. I got to go back to court on June something about the one on by Archdale. The one you said about Archdale that I got pulled over from. I talked to the attorney last time when I was in your courtroom. He said something about get my license and that was going to be tossed away. The one just happened on Archdale in Plymouth.
Well, that's if you had your license back together, right? So
yeah.
You didn't have your license back together by this point in time. And so those were the ones that were remaining out there. So you have two no proof, the ones that went into collection and no proof of insurance.
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
what's kind of holding up what's holding it up.
Okay.
So you got to find a way to pay for those because those are your only costs you have left.
So once I pay them off, how do I get the clearance? It's gonna be clear by itself.
It's gonna automatically send clearance over there to them.
Okay.
Right.
So
the best I can do is not give you any additional fees, but those were already in the system. So before my time. So, and since did you have a license at one point in time?
No, ma'am. I'm going to get it this time. I've been procrastinating for a lot of years. I don't know.
You got to get your license. You got to get your license. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And well, yeah. Pay the no proof of insurance because right now it's just showing that it's suspended. So you should be able to get it at some point in time. Okay.
Yep. I haven't paid off by Tuesday.
Okay. It looks like $2018. And it seems like that's all the tickets you keep getting. The same ticket over and over again. And you know that, don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
I was just trying to look and see if there was any. It looks like you should be able to. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. It look like. So take care of that so we can move forward. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, Miss Martin, Attorney Martin, if you don't mind waiting just to 10 o'clock, just to see if anybody else comes in, then I'll release you.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Attorney Daoud,
Hello, Your Honor.
hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking. What's going on? You got somebody on my docket?
Yes, Mr. Yelda, who should be on Zoom, as I had instructed him to be on Zoom.
At 9:30.
Oh my goodness, is he not on Zoom? What
So
in the
give him a
world?
call. Go ahead. Give him a call and see what's going on. It's okay. I know. Don't get frustrated. Just call him and see what's going on.
They make me look bad, you know? I don't like that. I don't like to look
I
bad.
know. I'm all like, hey, what you doing here? Then I look down. I said, oh, he is here. Can I have your P number before you go looking for your client, please?
Of course. 67716.
Okay. Just
All
put yourself on blackout screen and look for him. Tell him to join us.
All right. All right.
All right. No problem.
iPhone 8. Attorney Daoud.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Never mind.
That's okay.
Hello?
Hold on
We
one
got
second,
you now.
Mr. Yelda.
Yes.
You have your checked in, sir, okay?
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Hold on, Mr. Yelda. Just hold on.
Where'd he go? Did we put him in the breakout room? He just log off?
Oh. If we don't.
Mr. Yado, just hold tight. Put yourself on mute until we're ready for your matter.
Yes.
Attorney Daoud, did you need to talk to the prosecutor?
Your Honor, I did. Prosecutor indicated that she did subpoena the officers, and we are just waiting to see if the officers do appear.
Okay, just give me a few moments then, okay? Put
Take
yourself
your
on
time,
mute.
Your Honor.
Okay, cool.
Mm.
Judge Taylor, did we get anybody else?
No, so you're all set. Thank you so much, Attorney Martin. I appreciate you today.
All right, you guys have a good one. See you next time.
So thank you.
Wow, we're done, Judge? We're done, Your Honor?
We just have this last one. I'm gonna call it in a moment. It's just
Oh,
the
okay.
trial for today. I was trying
Yeah.
to give the officers just a little bit more time, but I'm not gonna give them a ton more time. I was thinking about 10 more minutes and that's it.
Okay, very good, Judge.
We should be finished unless they sign in.
Hello?
Hello, just give us, we're gonna wait just a few more moments, then I'm gonna call this matter.
No
You keep
problem, no
dropping in
problem,
and out of the call though, okay? So you gotta just
no
find some
problem,
place. So we're gonna call it at 10:15, okay? So just in 4 minutes, okay?
no problem.
All right, cool. All right. You ready, Attorney Dao?
Yes, Your Honor.
Unmute yourself for me, sir. Mr. Yada. Unmute. Unmute. You know how to unmute? See me asking you to unmute? Hit the microphone. Oh, there we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kasari Zahar Yalda. This is V ticket 500916622. A secondhand auto failure to obtain license, and then ticket number 742753, secondhand auto failure to obtain license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good morning, Attorney A.J. Down on behalf of Mr. Yalda.
And sir, state your name for the record, please. Sir?
Okay, sir, say your name.
Yep.
Oh, Kaiser Yalda.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today? Is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter?
Your Honor, I was under the impression, and I just wanted to clarify, if the officers have not showed up, I would ask for a dismissal at this time.
Correct. The time is now 10:17 a.m. This matter was set for 9:30 a.m. No officers appearing. The court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, it's imperative, I hope, because I can see some tires behind you, that you have a license up to date and valid now as you run that business. Make sure you always keep that up to date and valid at all times, okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, this matter is
Thanks, Your Honor.
dismissed. Have a great day. You're very welcome.